Now let's talk about the distance formula. The distance d between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 on the rectangular coordinate plane is given by this formula here. So d equals x2 minus x1, whole thing squared, plus the quantity y2 minus y1 squared. So find the exact distance between the points 1, -2 and -5, 6. So we can label these x1, y1 and x2, y2. And now all we have to do is plug into the formula. So d equals the square root of x2, which is -5, minus x1, which is 1, squared, plus y2, which is 6, minus y1, which is a -2. And we square that. That's all under the square root. So, following the order of operations, simplify parentheses first. -5 minus 1 is a -6 squared, plus 6 minus a -2. This really becomes 6 plus 2. So we have 8 squared, all under the square root. So -6 squared is 36, plus 8 squared is 64, which equals 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. So the distance between those 2 points is 10 units. Okay, let's find another one. So we have the point -1, -2, and the point 3, 4. So again, we'll label these x1, y1, and, x2, y2. So the distance equals the square root of 3 minus a -1 squared, plus 4 minus a -2 squared. So simplifying in the parentheses, 3 minus a -1 is 3 plus 1, so that's 4 squared, plus 4 minus a -2 is the same as 4 plus 2, so that's 6 squared. 4 squared is 16. 6 squared is 36. And if we add those together, we get 52. So let's break down 52 over here. 52 is 2 times 26. 26 is 2 times 13. So what we have is 2 times 2 times 13 under the square root. Those 2 2's are really a square root of 4. And then we have times the square root of 13 using our square root properties. The square root of 4 is 2. And the square root of 13 doesn't simplify anymore. So we get our distance is 2 square root of 13 units.